Hemorrhoids can be a real pain in the butt. Today we will learn what are hemorrhoids and how we can treat them. But first, like and subscribe for more butt-related content. I'm Nurse Wong, and this is Butt Talks. What are hemorrhoids? Hemorrhoids are swollen veins in the anus. Normally, these veins serve as cushions for the anal canal. They can make your butty swollen and bloody if they become enlarged and irritated for a long period of time. Though they can be problematic, they are not major health issues. What causes hemorrhoids? The main cause is pressure on the anal veins. Anal pressure can lead to hemorrhoids due to constipation or diarrhea, heavy lifting, anal sex, excessive pressure on the pelvis from extra weight, for example, pregnancy or obesity. Since we are always sitting and standing upright, the anal veins have to work extra hard to pump blood from our butties to our heart. Hemorrhoids can be common, especially in older adults with chronic bowel problems. As we age, these veins become weaker, droopier, more noticeable, and more likely to become inflamed. Hemorrhoids are classified as internal or external. They range in degree from mild to severe and can protrude out of your anus. What are internal hemorrhoids? Internal hemorrhoids can happen more often than you think and can be less noticeable. They occur within the anus. This type of hemorrhoid can form when the sphincter muscles become tight and irritated. This is why you should not strain to poop. Often, internal hemorrhoids only result in minor bleeding. However, if not properly treated, they can become engorged and painful. What are external hemorrhoids? External hemorrhoids form around the outside of the anus and can be swollen and sometimes painful. Like internal hemorrhoids, excessive pressure on this area will cause swelling of the anal veins. Lumps are usual signs of external hemorrhoids. In some cases, these lumps can form a blood clot called thrombosed hemorrhoid, which is often tender and painful. In extreme cases, these thrombosed hemorrhoids create extreme pressure in the anus and may require immediate medical attention. This is what I call the burning ring of fire. If you have external hemorrhoids, it's time to take good care of your butty immediately. Your butty needs your tender, loving care. Use soothing creams to help reduce skin irritation and a sitz pan to clean and relax your butty. I will leave a link to my most recommended skin creams and cleaning products in the description below. Check out our videos on how to clean your butt for better care for your butty. To avoid dealing with the pain and hassle of hemorrhoids, you must take better care of your overall health. Here are some lifestyle changes you can make to avoid the hemorrhoid. Eat high-fiber foods. Eating natural foods with a lot of fiber, both cooked and raw, can make your poop soft and easier to pass. Stay hydrated. Staying hydrated also makes your poop pass more smoothly. Don't strain on the toilet. This is the quickest way to stress out your butty veins. Watch our video on how to poop properly. Stretch and exercise. This helps keep your butty muscles relaxed. Staying active is better than being sedentary. Remember, sitting too long is hard on your butty. Rest. Take the load off your butty by laying down. This helps blood circulate and flow away from your swollen butty. If you haven't already, leave a like and subscribe to Butt Talks TV